today's theme is fast and slow.
Today we are reading Slowly, 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 Said the Sloth by Eric Carle. Slowly, 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 a sloth crawled along a branch of a tree. Slowly, 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 the sloth ate a leaf. Slowly, 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 the sloth fell asleep. Slowly, 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 the sloth woke up. All day long, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. All night long, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. Even when it rained, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. "Why are you so slow?" the howler monkey asked one day. But the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so quiet?" the caveman asked. But the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so boring?" the anteater asked. But the sloth didn't answer. "Tell me," said the jaguar, "why are you so lazy?" The sloth thought and thought and thought for a long, long, long time. Finally, the sloth replied, "It is true that I am slow, quiet, and boring. I am lackadaisical. I dawdle, I dilly-dally. I am also unflappable, languid, stoic, impassive, sluggish, lethargic, placid, calm, mellow, laid back, and well, slothful. I am relaxed and tranquil, and I like to live in peace. But I am not lazy." Then the sloth yawned and said, "That's just how I am. I like to do things slowly, slowly, slowly." Thank you for reading along with me today.
It's puppet time.
Today we'll be meeting another animal that moves slowly. It's the pig. From the book, The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle.
And we'll also be meeting an animal that moves very fast. The red bird. From the book, Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle.
This is a pig. He moves slowly. He rolls in the mud slowly. He loves the mud. He gets up to his feet slowly. He says, oink, oink, slowly. Naraya, hi! What animal is this?
A pig.
It is a pig. And this pig moves slowly. Do you think we can move slowly with this pig?
Yes.
All right. Well, one thing that pigs love to slowly do is they love to roll in the mud. Would you like to roll with this pig?
Yes.
Okay, let's get down on the floor. Slowly get down. Oh, the mud feels nice and cool if you're a pig. Can we roll? One direction, roll, 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 roll. And back to center. Good, slowly roll. The other way, roll the other way in the mud. Good. Woo! And back to center. And can we oink slowly like a pig? Oink, oink, oink. Wonderful. Can we slowly get up to our feet?
This is a red bird, and it flies fast. What else can we do fast?
Run.
Let's run fast. Let's flap our wings fast.
Let's do jumping jacks fast.
Let's do jumping jacks fast. Oh, let's pretend to dive fast like a bird. Let's fly away fast.
Welcome to the World of Eric Carle. My name is Vicki.
And my name is Kylie. And my name is Brooke.
And our theme today is fast and slow. So some animals move very slowly, like this sloth on this book. And some animals move very fast. Can you think of any animals that move fast?
Cheetah.
Ooh, good choice.
A bird.
Very good, yeah. And speaking of animals with wings, we are going to be making a dragonfly because dragonflies move very fast.
Yeah.
So for this very fun craft, we're going to need a few supplies. We are going to need some pipe cleaners. We're going to need some pom-poms for the eyes. We're going to need some glue dots. If you don't have glue dots at home, you could also just use some regular liquid glue. We're going to need some kid-friendly scissors, or you could always ask a grown-up to help you cut the dragonfly. We're going to need some glue and a marker. And last but not least, we're going to also need a piece of foam. If you don't have foam, you could also use something else that's a little thick, like maybe cardboard or something like that. And we're going to need some tissue paper. Our tissue paper is already painted in the style of Eric Carle, so it's very colorful, but have fun at home painting your tissue paper. So first, we are going to fold our pipe cleaner in half. And then we're just going to give it a little twist. Twist the body all around, kind of like when you're twisting your hair. Very nice. Very good. Okay, now for the eyes. What color eyes do you want to do?
Pink or purple. I'm gonna do yellow.
Excellent, so I will do blue. That's my favorite color, so it all works out. Okay, so we are going to take our two little glue dots. So let me grab one. And you can grab one. And you're gonna put it onto ear pom-pom, and then right onto that pipe cleaner. Excellent. I love the colors that you chose. They're very, very colorful, very bright. Now, we already talked about animals that move fast. Can you think of any animals that move very slow besides a sloth? Yeah.
Turtles. Yeah, turtles.
Good choice. Yeah, I think of turtles immediately myself as
They're
well.
my favorite animal.
They're adorable.
And
I
also
love turtles.
snails. Yeah.
Snails, yeah, very good. Excellent. Okay, so we've got our eyes and we've got the body of our dragonfly. Excellent. Now time for my favorite part, the wings. So pick your favorite tissue paper.
Purple.
Excellent. Okay, so we are going to glue our tissue paper onto our foam. And if you don't have any tissue paper at home, you could use regular paper or newspaper, anything that you'd like. Just get creative. So cover it in plenty of glue, so that way it really sticks to your foam. Very good, very good. Never use enough glue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't be afraid to get a little messy. Get that glue all over your fingers. And you're gonna put it on top of your foam. Really smush it in. Very good, very good, very good. All right, now that our tissue paper is attached to our foam, we are going to turn it over so that the foam is on the outside. And we are going to draw our wings. Folding it in half ensures that when we cut it, our wings will be symmetrical. But if you're having trouble, you can always draw all 4 wings. So here we go. Get your marker, very good. Your wings could be as big as you want, as little as you want. Maybe one wing is little and one wing's big. Whatever shape inspires you. Now we're gonna get our scissors and we are going to cut them. Again, if you want a grown-up to help you with it, you could always ask a grown-up at home. Go. What's some other animals that have wings? I always think of butterflies.
Yeah.
Beautiful butterfly wings, right? Excellent. I'm loving the very different shapes that everyone has once we've cut them. Let's show our friends at home our shapes that we chose. Whoa, yours are looking great. So many different fun shapes, right? I love it. Okay, so now we can attach it to the body of our dragonfly. So we're going to grab one little piece of glue. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna put the glue on the foam first. Maybe if you feel like you need 2 glue dots, that's okay too. My glue got a little unsticky. There we go. Again, never can have enough glue. All right. And then after that, you are just going to attach your wings to your dragonfly. Excellent. These look so great, and that was so easy, huh?
Yeah.
So we learned so much about animals that move fast and slow and all about different shapes that we can use for wings. Well, great job, everyone. And I hope you had a wonderful time as well. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you had fun. See you next time.